No, I meant to type.
Hey guys, what's going on? King Dave Yoshi here. I'm here with Luke and oh no, I don't know you. Are you Lux or something? Because you're definitely not Blitzcrank. Anyway, so I'm here with Luke and Sai, and today we're playing some League of Legends. Why are you laughing?
Oh, ADC. We don't got an ADC in the bottom.
Why are you laughing? There's nothing to laugh at.
But we're leashing Gromp, you know that, right?
No, I want blue.
Well, we're not
gonna... No, because Zed has to help then, but we can Gromp for you.
Fine. Disappointment. Alright, let's get this thing. I want it.
Well, you can't have it.
No, you son of a...
Go get it.
Help me, Luke. You jerk! You...
This is pathetic.
Did you smite it, David?
No.
Oh, thank God he didn't.
Great, and now I'm lagging. Thanks a lot.
Why, you're welcome.
Is it dead?
That wasn't a... Yeah, it's dead. You got it.
Okay, because Sai frickin' screwed me up.
Ah! Sai, you're taking my farm.
What? I'm not Blitzcrank though. I'm the ADC.
Whoever you are, Inspector Gadget. Stop taking my farm.
Oh, that was a close.
No, Inspector Gadget is frickin' Heimerdinger.
No, but he totally looks like it with the coat.
No.
Wow. Are you already dead?
No.
No.
Don't worry, Luke. I got this.
Oops.
I just need to get Tia the Goddess and I'll be...
You saw nothing.
I'm the jungler. I see everything.
That's not true.
Okay, who did it? Who did it? Who did it? Rawr! I'm an angry thing. Rawr! Now I'm a turtle. Now I'm a tiger.
Look, you're dead. No, no, you're fine. Don't worry, Luke. Just kill them.
Bum ba dum bum bum bum. No, no, no! Ah, missed farm.
Well, then don't miss the farm.
It's not as easy as you think. When there's two Blitzcrank, anything can happen.
True
Oh
that.
my gosh.
Sai screwing you over.
No, I keep... Oh! Is that a kill? I see a kill!
Oh.
No, never mind.
Oh.
Never mind, no I don't.
You failure.
Wow, that almost worked.
Time to recall, boys. And I am pinging again.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, I think I'm gonna burst.
Don't burst!
He bursted alright.
Remember, Luke, when I get scared, I heal a little bit.
You know what happens when I get scared?
You play Five Nights at Freddy's?
No. I play Five Nights at Freddy's 4!
It's a pretty good game to get scared.
Yeah, I know, it's terrifying. The game is pretty terrifying.
What?
You missed! You're fired! Leave the office right now!
Oh! It's come from the big man himself.
I'm sorry. Blitzcrank sorry. Blitzcrank. Oh no!
Sorry, doesn't. Oh, schnikels.
Dodge the Q. What the heck interaction was that?
I got stunned by a moo, pulled by Blitzcrank, and knocked up and dead. Okay,
David, you should very.
that happens. I'm a very understandable person.
Time to run away.
And yet we were doing so well in lane, just for Moo to come and ruin it.
I know, right?
Amumu, you're a jerk.
Sai, you need to speed up.
I bought boots. No, standard boots.
Sai, you need to speed up.
Alright. Cure.
No, 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 no! Oh, I'm dead. I don't have Ignite! Damn. And that flash either. At least you're out damaging their Blitzcrank, right? Haha, sigh.
Roll.
And out defensing. And out attack speeding. You guys got the same amount of cooldown though.
I have more mana.
And you have 5 more movement speed.
Oh, so much.
An enemy has been slain.
Yeah, so much, right?
You're gonna be so overpowered, man. I'm just, they're just so screwed. Da 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 Whoa, what is that?
Whoa!
No!
Doing?
Why didn't I auto attack?
You were dead anyway. Even if you auto didn't. Now you're
been
feeding.
fine.
You're a feeder.
Thanks to you. Not even building support.
You need the support Blitzcrank wouldn't have. No one. Blitzcrank's not even here, dude. I mean, I don't know what you're talking about.
Sup?
Go after her.
Wow,
Stun her.
that flash.
Stun her, David.
I did. Had the smite
Good
killed.
enough. So I'd run over here.
Why? What if a move is there?
I was saying run across the minion wave so he doesn't grab you.
I'm good.
Killing spree.
Hey, at least Zed's getting fed.
Good point.
Because you can kind of with the Zed fed, man, I got that messed up so bad. With a fed Zed,
Yes.
that can be really good in the early game for leads.
I'm gonna get a Luden's Echo first item, guys.
Perfect.
You know blue card does more damage.
Yes, I meant to blue card.
I thought it was red card.
Did you know the red card does more damage than gold card, and gold card does less damage than all the other cards? But
Well, I know that because the red does damage, gold stuns, and blue gives you mana.
Mm-hmm.
See if I can pull her.
Interesting place to put a ward. Pantheon, I know, I'm coming.
Oh!
No, 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 no! I'm fine. We're good to go.
Why did you do that?
Pantheon, you're so
Magic?
stupid.
Come on, dude.
I'm dead.
Why did you do
Oh, 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 oh,
Why?
oh,
Because I can.
Oh no! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
David, you're already out of the danger zone. You can stop freaking
I know,
out, bro.
but he could have killed me. Oh man, that was so close to death.
So I'm gonna TP behind them.
Oh!
This pro, the pro.
You could probably still teach.
Do you think it's worth waiting for
No,
30
what the?
gold?
Did I just TP? What? Did I accidentally? Oh no!
You canceled it, didn't you?
No, you can't cancel it.
Oh, that was sick. That was a sick kill right there. By Zed.
Surprisingly, Psy lived though.
Because I'm skills. Oh, I probably should get Sheen.
You guys want to get drag?
Sure. I believe you can solo it because Udyr can
Oh,
solo
they
without anything.
Oh, okay. Nope, wrong one. Yeah, but I still want backup though.
You know, just do it and we'll push up. That way no one's missing off the map. Luke! No! Not again! You died again!
Whose fault is that for not being there to help me?
What was I gonna do? I have cooldowns, you know?
I can't go in, and I think they see me.
No, you can go in.
No, I can't. I don't have enough health to
Don't
continue.
go in. Don't
Actually,
go in.
I
Psy's
can.
just gonna leave
Yeah,
you to die.
I can stay in the jungle, but I can't get down there.
You keep dying. You keep getting pulled.
Nice! The gold switcheroo! That's a new one.
That was funny. Oh,
Pantheon's ulting in. Guys, Pantheon's coming.
I know.
We get it. We get it. I'm gonna get pulled, aren't I?
Here it comes, here it comes. Hey, at least they got the kills, alright?
Luke's not satisfied. Luke's 0-5.
Ouch.
I'm sorry, Luke, okay? I'm Blitzcrank. No, I'm not, actually. I'm sorry.
No, you're not. You're someone else. You're definitely not Blitzcrank. Is Luke still in the call? Luke?
Yeah.
Oh, there you are. Okay. I thought you were just like, F my life. I know! Let me get my red! Now we go kill him.
Nice!
He got one.
Hope you're getting borked, David.
Huh?
Getting
Yes,
borked.
I am.
Hey, you always get borked on TF. I mean, on Udyr.
Yeah, I
don't
know.
get what you say. Don't get bloodthirster.
No,
Never.
I don't get blood sisters. The only thing I get is my smite, my Bork, boots and Moby, just in my opinion, and then I just work on tank.
David, come down.
You're all the booze. Here, I'll be there in a sec. I want to grab my blue first.
Or do you have mana?
Yeah, but I'm gonna definitely need my blue though. Because without it, I'm not gonna be very good with the ganking. Let me get it real quick.
What?
Alright, I'm coming up behind him.
Oh God. She's ours!
I accidentally flashed, but... Boom. What? Wait.
Get out, Byron David.
No! Oh!
Sorry, I told you what to do.
What? What did I do? If anything, it's Olaf we gotta watch out for because he's pushing. Oh, come on, Luke. Come on, come on. Nice.
An enemy has been slain.
No! Mother of Pearl, Mother of Pearl. Damn it! Mother of Pearl, Mother of Pearl. Damn it! I get a kill and I have to die afterward. Because of the creep minion block. My team was gone!
We need more blood. Oh, that card follow-up, dude. You're like, nope, fing.
Shining gold.
Hurry, guys! Bear stance, David!
I don't wanna.
You idiot!
What? He's under turret. I'm not gonna tower dive.
David, you could have bear stance up here and you're fast to kill him. But no, you gotta go take their blue. It would have helped out a lot.
What, to take the blue?
No, to kill Olaf!
Olaf, fight. I'm not gonna tower dive.
David, you didn't have to tower dive.
I still wouldn't have killed him. Just defend the tower.
David, I can't defend the tower.
You haven't. Oh, use it.
David, I can't defend the tower.
Or that can happen.
Goodness gracious.
Well, I almost got Annie. We're a report. I'm not gonna report. Oh, minion took that one. Yeah, I figured that'd be a dragon. Well, Amumu is pretty behind.
Yep, boots, David.
Yeah?
Have full boots.
No.
You should get full boots.
What do you think I'm doing?
Taking Grom.
Ah, there's my blue. I'm gonna take it since I'm here. I'm just gonna try to build up my stacks. All I need is 9 more.
Money
That's good.
And kill
You know-
off.
You know Scuttle gives you 2 stacks, right, David?
Yeah,
Okay, just asking.
yeah, I know.
Bye, Sai. Olaf's ult just
Oh, they
cancels
took.
you
Oh,
completely.
okay. I was gonna take this one, but they already took it. So these
You know-
guys took it.
You should really come up and take top tower.
All I need is 7 more stacks, and I'm good. Yeah, I'll help push this lane out.
That way, if Olaf is going to continuously just push out that lane, it will take him much more time to do so.
Well, Muma wasted his ult, but I'm not gonna
I
go
saw
after
that.
him. Uh-oh, shield, and she queued. Look why! Why?
Why didn't they follow up on me?
David,
What?
David!
What?
would you be willing to eat like a unfull squirrel or a two-tailed toad?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You should come with me to go across the street because they got unfull on sale. 10%.
Okay. Alright, I'll be there. Alright, I'll take up on that for the loaves. Yeah.
You know, David, next time when they're taking Secure Tower, go kill Jinx.
I'm sorry. Calm down, bro.
You need to have more map awareness, David.
Sai, calm down.
I'm being serious.
Sai, calm your tits.
Why don't you listen to what someone who knows what they're doing is?
Yeah,
Map
but-
awareness is very important.
yeah,
Develop
so
map
I'm
awareness.
doing fine as it is.
You're not helping out lanes.
Yes, I am.
Not really.
Oh, look, you almost got an escape.
Almost got out.
Almost.
Go Phoenix, David. Yeah, clear it faster.
Yeah. When the dragon's up, I'm actually gonna try and get the scuttle, and I'm gonna get the dragon. Yeah, there's Scuttle.
David, get over here. Go. Kill her! Yeah, we did it. Let's go. Run, run, run.
I'm stunned!
Hi,
I'm
Dave.
stunned! Sure. Yeah, sure. Yeah, look, I see what you mean. That he goes to the fight and he just ditches you.
No, we killed the main target. No, I'm satisfied.
No, and you ditched.
What was I gonna do?
Wait.
You totally
Blitzcrank.
ditched, Si.
I'm Blitzcrank. I Q'd, E'd,
Yeah,
and ulted.
yeah, but you
I am
still
no
ditched.
longer useful.
You're still ditched.
David,
You're like,
I
yeah, let's
Q'd,
go. You're like,
E'd,
yeah,
and ulted. I
yeah,
am no
so-
longer useful.
Yeah, I agree with you, Luke. You go win, he just leaves you. Look out,
David.
Luke.
Even Luke will agree with me. I Q'd, I E'd, I ulted.
Yeah.
I am no longer useful. I will leave.
Yeah, but you left me to die, and that's no excuse.
Do you
so,
want
Luke,
it to be a 2-for-1 or
so
1
Luke,
for 1?
Luke, I see what you mean, Luke. That he just ditches you.
I think you're taking it. I think we're just taking everything out of context right now, guys. We should just chill.
He still
bet.
ditched. He still ditched me.
Yeah, Blitzcrank with the dragon. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
And then Olaf like, where'd it go?
And Olaf, every time I go into the jungle, he happens to be right there now. So.
Why is no one coming to?
Well, I'm
I have a full.
elsewhere. ATM. Yeah, let me help, David. There you go.
I was gonna smite it, but
Let's not make you waste that smite.
oh, ward right there.
I want him. Urgh.
Well, too bad.
Oh, my kill! Stolen right from me.
David, fight him, bork him.
No.
Yeah, you
Not
can
with
fight him.
Annie right there.
David, we're right here. Well. Do you like that damage? Boy!
Nice.
Run. We'll get him, don't worry, I got this. Oh, I want to go do Baron. That's a good idea. Yeah.
That's a terrible idea.
Oh, that's great. 3 of them are dead. Well, 2 of them are dead. Jinx is, which is their main fourth. And all of our lanes are pushing up.
Yeah, no, this
Fight
is...
it! Fight it, Dave! Give lifesteal!
I'm not staying.
David!
I don't have health.
David, lifesteal! Ever heard of it?
David, if you get too low, then you back.
Use your W, David.
Sigh?
Oh!
I was gonna say keep backing, but
Blitzcrank with the double. Kill him!
I'm gonna have to kite this and move for days. Or just back right now.
An ally has been slain.
We lost 3 Baron buffs on our most valuable members. I'm not included in that list, but we lost it on Olaf and Zed. Isn't it this episode where the bus can't go under 50?
Yeah. Because it doesn't blow up.
Go! Ugh.
You nailed it.
I am that good, dude. I'm just that good. You should really recall David.
I'd rather not.
You want to die?
Sure, then I can blame you for not supporting.
And, you know, I might just...
No, only I can do that.
Yeah, I was supporting Luke.
Charge! Nope, never mind.
Kill him! We got him! Get him! No, the damn 5-man ult.
It's a
Don't
stupid
wanna-
bear.
Kill something!
Bye!
Guys, it's supposed to go in on that!
I was going to, but nobody else followed me in.
Yeah, David. Go after David. No, don't do that. You're dead. Bye, Dave. Wow. Yeah. Tag Blitzcrank. That's real helpful.
Yeah, I know. See, now I blame you. I blame you. You didn't. You got yourself pulled in, and you screwed us all. So blame the Blitz. Yeah, this is cool. Well, this is gonna be an interesting game to upload. Anyway, we just keep trying to do our best. Honestly, it's probably the only thing we can do. Let's keep going. Let's get here. Anyway, so we're just gonna keep trying. And yes, I will be playing more Five Nights at Freddy's. And I know, yeah, Five Nights at Freddy's. Yeah, it's scary. The fourth game is anyway. Oh, it's gone. It's gone. No, I'm so sad, and I gotta reconnect. Oh, there they are. I found them. I never lost them. Never lost my friends. I never lost them. Is a Scuttlebug up, or... No, this seemed like a... Well, sorry about the silence there, but let's go get him. Charge! Come for your boy. Got him. Actually, no, let's stay. Well, I'm dead. That's probably the best. Oh! 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 That was so good. Wow, what an escape. That was a really good escape. Get one of those. And let's get one of these. Because I don't care really right now. We just try to survive. And they're facing the wrong fight. Haha! I am too much for you! I am too much for you. Haha, too much lifesteal. Actually, we could probably do the Baron because most of them are dead. Ow. Ow. I didn't think that was gonna happen. Lol. Stop it. Oh. Oh. Oh! Oh! He got it! Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh! Holy crap! I can't answer the call! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Sorry, stop it! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh man, what a good steal! Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh man, what a steal, guys! Oh man! Get him! Get him! Get him! Keep her going! What's going on? Let's push, let's push. I was giving it a chance! Alright.
Did you get it recorded?
Yes!
Please send it to Ben.
I will. Oh man. One heck of a steal that was. Oh man, that was good. Nom nom. Oh man, that was one heck of a steal though, man. Oh man, that was one good steal, I'd say right there. Oh wow. Full build! Roar! 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 I'm an angry bear!
Hang on to your life and get thrown off by the bot. Underneath it.
An ally has been slain.
Run! Wow, they're that desperate. Shot at redemption! Redemption! Oh. Oh. No, we got this. We never surrender. Never. Wow, they're taking that turret. They are so desperate. Wow, they're so desperate. They're like, we gotta come back from this. we gotta try to win, man. we gotta. Oh, whoops, sorry. Oh, man, I got a double kill. Oh man. Oh, they get the triple. Sorry, let's get the quad. Oh nope. Okay. I'll go there. I'll head there. Alright, never mind. Oh man, he's going so fast. Forty seconds. Get my red. Waste them again.
Shut down.
What about the Jinx?
An ally has been slain.
Come on! Come on! Get it! Come on! No! Yes! Come on! No! No! It's a... Oh my gosh! Come on! Oh my gosh! It's so low! Oh! 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 Oh my gosh. Oh man, that is... Oh. Man, this is so intense right now. Oh, there's no one there. I may be able to back door. I'm a back door.
Shut down. Double kill. Triple kill.
Oh, the triple! And come on, charge! Come on, charge! Get him! Holy crap! Oh my gosh, come on! Come on! Take that! Take it! Take it! Save! Oh, the save! Oh my gosh! Oh, go! Go! Take it! Take it! Take it! Take it! Oh man, what a win. That's a good one right there. Alright guys, thank you for watching this great game of League of Legends. I hope to see you all in another episode. More Five Nights at Freddy's and such are on my channel. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you all in the next episode. Enjoy the music for a few seconds.